Trump's trade war escalates. 10% tariffs slam U.S. ports, global markets reel. The long-anticipated 10% import tariff imposed by President Donald Trump on a wide array of goods from numerous countries, including the UK, officially took effect at 12:01 a.m. ET on Saturday, September 1st. The implementation marks a significant escalation in the ongoing trade disputes and sends shockwaves rippling through global markets. U.S. Customs and Border Protection agents immediately began collecting the levies at seaports, airports, and customs warehouses across the nation. This initial wave of tariffs, however, is only the opening salvo in a broader trade offensive. The initial 10% tariff applies to a vast selection of imported goods originating from a diverse range of countries, including but not limited to Australia, the UK, Colombia, Argentina, Egypt, and Saudi Arabia. This blanket levy, unilaterally imposed by the Trump administration, has already sparked considerable turmoil and uncertainty in the international trade landscape. The ripple effect is evident in the dramatic volatility experienced in global financial markets. The 48 hours leading up to the tariff's implementation were characterized by intense market fluctuations, reflecting the widespread apprehension regarding the potential economic consequences. The announcement on Wednesday sent global stock markets into a tailspin, resulting in a record-breaking two-day decline for the S&P 500, erasing a staggering $5 trillion in market capitalization. Investors, gripped by uncertainty, reacted by abandoning riskier assets, such as stocks and commodities, seeking refuge in the perceived safety of government bonds. The price of oil and various commodities plummeted, further underscoring the pervasive impact of the new tariffs. The initial 10% tariff represents merely the first phase of Trump's aggressive trade strategy. A second wave of significantly higher tariffs is poised to hit importers next week, adding another layer of complexity and uncertainty to the already volatile situation. These reciprocal tariffs, ranging from 11% to a staggering 50%, are designed to target specific countries deemed to engage in unfair trade practices. The European Union, a major trading partner of the United States, is facing a substantial 20% tariff on its imports. China, already embroiled in a protracted trade war with the U.S., will be subject to an additional 34% tariff, bringing the total new levies imposed on Chinese goods to a hefty 54%. This dramatic increase in tariffs is expected to exacerbate existing tensions and potentially trigger retaliatory measures from affected countries, further intensifying the global trade conflict. The ramifications of Trump's trade policies extend far beyond the immediate financial markets. Businesses are grappling with the added costs and uncertainty, potentially leading to price increases for consumers, reduced investment, and disruptions to global supply chains. The long-term consequences remain unclear, but the immediate impact is undeniably severe, highlighting the profound interconnectedness of the global economy and the far-reaching consequences of protectionist trade measures. The coming weeks and months will be critical in determining the full extent of the economic and geopolitical repercussions of this bold and controversial trade strategy. The situation remains highly fluid, with ongoing developments and potential for further escalation. The world watches with bated breath as the ramifications of Trump's actions continue to unfold. The potential for further retaliatory measures and the unpredictable nature of the situation add to the uncertainty surrounding the future trajectory of global trade. The imposition of these tariffs marks a significant turning point in the already complex and challenging global trade landscape, leaving businesses, governments, and consumers alike grappling with the implications of this escalating trade war. The long-term effects remain to be seen, but the immediate consequences are undeniably severe and far-reaching.